friends, this is Prashanti Nuti. Welcome to Thursday Think Bites, microboost for macro impact.
Friends, today I want to talk to you about something every leader, founder, creator, and honestly every human being struggles with. The ugly baby problem. And yes, it's a real thing. Recently, I was on a phone call with one of my friends that I hadn't spoken to over 10 years. As soon as we started talking, she said, "Have you seen yourself in those videos?" Not exactly the reunion I was expecting for. Then she continued, "The lighting is bad, the editing is bad, you're not dressed up to pass on such a powerful message." My sudden reaction was defense. I explained to her, that's the format, unpolished, real, conversational. But she didn't accept. She said, "I understand the intent, but you cannot still forget the basics." It hit me hard because she was not the first one to say this. My mom said this a couple of years back. My husband said it. My neighbor said it. But I kept on ignoring. But when I heard the same feedback from a person who had no agenda, it became impossible to ignore anymore. We keep telling ourselves, "Oh, it's my parents talking. It's my spouse talking. Oh, they don't understand my vision." Maybe. But creators fall so deeply in love with what they have built, they stop looking at it objectively. And it happens with leaders constantly. We defend our processes, products, culture, ways of working, communication styles, not because they're efficient, but because they're ours. Somewhere along the way, I confused authenticity with lack of effort. Raw doesn't automatically mean real. It can be authentic and you can still enhance the experience. It could be real and you can still improve the presentation. That applies to this content and to leadership. Because your intention is not the same as someone else's experience. The distinction matters more than the leaders think. After a couple of hours, the friend called me back again and said, "Hey, I watched more videos and now I understand your intent." That's when I realized one more thing. People judge the book based on its cover. If you don't like the cover, you don't read the book. So yes, the format was intentional, but the presentation still needed work. So here's the microboost for you today. Think about one feedback you have heard multiple times from different sources, different people, different moments. Ask yourself honestly, are you rejecting the feedback or are you rejecting the source? Remember, small actions, big impact. Until we meet again next time, let's keep making impact together. Thank you, guys.
Thank you for listening, guys. This was the microboost for today. For a full episode experience, read the blog article in the comment section below. If you're not a reader, there is an audio feature available too. If you like the podcast, please subscribe and share.